Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Picsart and importing the image you need to edit. Choose the highest resolution available for cleaner fills. Next, tap Tools and pick Remove or Clone depending on what you see. Auto works fast, Brush gives control. Zoom in close to the word and adjust brush size to about 1030px so you isolate only the letters. Once you have the word covered, use a single careful stroke. This first pass defines how natural the repair will look. Continue by refining the area using Clone. Sample a nearby patch that matches texture, color, and lighting, and then paint over the erased letters. Work with multiple small strokes rather than one big pass. This helps you match patterns. Make subtle opacity changes, try 50 to 100%, so edges blend naturally. Once cloned, switch to Heal or Smooth to eliminate repeating artifacts and soften transitions. If background has lines or text, rebuild them in Short. Align strokes to maintain continuity. To finish, zoom out and inspect the whole image to ensure the repaired spot matches surrounding area. Make small adjustments like brightness, contrast, or temperature to unify tones. If remnants persist, use background eraser or the patch tool to selectively remove or replace problem pixels. Work in short passes. If you see seams, reclone with lower opacity and lightly heal edges, or duplicate the layer and try different blending modes. One tip: if results look wrong, undo and try a different source patch. Small tweaks fix.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.